Hello students, today I am going to teach first problem in exercise 3.1. See the question. First question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically means we have to write the linear equation 2 variables according to given conditions, and graphically means we have to draw the given linear equations in 2 variables in a graph. Okay, so according to given question I am forming the linear equation 2 variables. See the first statement. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. That means here we don't know the age of Aftab and we don't know the age of his daughter. So let the age of Aftab be x. So what I am taking, Aftab age as x and his daughter age by. Okay, after age I am taking as x and his daughter age by. Now according to first condition, what he is telling to his daughter, I was 7 times as old as you 7 years ago. 7 years ago, what will be the age of Aftab? 7 years ago. After age becomes Aftab age b. Age equal to 7 years ago. After age b, x minus 7. 7 years ago. Okay, and daughter age, his daughter age. His daughter age will be y minus 7. 7 years ago. Okay, according to this condition, what is saying, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. So according to that question, we can write, after saying that my age is 7 times old as you, that means x minus 7, his age x minus 7 is 7 times of his daughter age, y minus 7. Okay, x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 1. Here we are getting one equation. So I am simplifying this, x minus 7, 7y minus 49. So by sending this at left hand side, you will get x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 is equal to 0. X minus 7y minus 42 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1. By the given condition, I got one equation in 2 variables. Now see the second condition. 3 years from now. 3 years from now. So what will be the age of Aftab? 3 years. 3 years from now. Age of Aftab age will be, age becomes actual present age we have taken as x and his daughter as y. So 3 years from now his age will be x plus 3. So x plus 3 and his daughter age is y plus 3. 3 years from now, no, present age is x, so 3 years from now his age will be x plus 3, his daughter age becomes y plus 3. Now according to question, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times of as old as you. So what he is saying, his age, Aftab age will be 3 times of his daughter age. X plus 3 equal to 3 into y plus 3. This is from according to question, right? According to question we got another equation. By simplifying this, x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. X minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to, this is second equation. Now we represented given information in algebraically. Algebraically means we got the equations according to questions. So I represented the given information in algebraically. So what is the first equation? X minus 7y minus 42 equal to 0, and second equation is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is algebraic representation of given information. Now we have to represent this in graphical method. Graphical method means we have to draw the diagram, we have to draw the straight line of this in a graph. So for that I am keeping y at left hand side, I am sending every term at right hand side. Minus 7y, send minus 42 at right hand side, x also at right hand side, 42 minus x. Now multiply with minus, so you will get 7y equal to x minus 42. Now send y also, x minus 42 by 7, right? Now here in this equation also I am keeping y at left hand side, remaining I will send at right hand side, 6 minus x. Now multiply with minus 3y x minus 6 and send y 3 at right hand side, x minus 6 by 3. Now to draw the graph, choose x values independently, then you will get y values. So to draw the graph we need x values, any two x values I am taking here. So by taking x as 0, if you put x is 0, minus 42 by 7, that is minus 7. Okay, minus 7. And what shall I take here? Suppose I am taking x equal to 7, x equal 7, then this will be minus 35, minus 35 by 7, minus 5. Okay, I am keeping x equal 0, so minus 42 by 7, sorry not 7, 6, minus 6, right? Minus 42 by 7 becomes minus 6. By keeping x as 7, 7 minus 42, you will get minus 35, minus 35 by 7 is minus 5. Here also to draw the graph of this straight line, I am choosing x values, corresponding y values also we will get here. If x is 0, minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. If x is 3, minus 3 by 3 minus 1. Okay, so two values of x are enough. Now to draw the graph, I am taking x axis, y axis. Okay, so see the x values, maximum value of x is 7 and we have x values only positive for these two lines. Observe these two boxes, we have x values, maximum value 7, so and positive only, so I am taking it on positive x axis only. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 7. For y values, observe the y values, this is minus 6, minus 5, minus 2, so all are negative and minimum value of y is minus 6, so I am taking in negative axis, y axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, I am drawing a rough diagram. Okay, now to draw the first graph, x is 0. If x is 0, y value minus 6. If x is 0, y value minus 6. So keep point here. Next, if x is 7, y value minus 5. 7, y value minus 5 here. Join the points. This is one equation. So this is graph of first straight line. Okay. For the second straight line, if x is 0, y is minus 2. Y is minus 2. If x is 3, if x is 3, y is minus 1. So here. Now join the points, you will get like this. If you extend them, definitely they will intersect somewhere. Okay. If you extend them, you will get intersecting point somewhere. But this is graphical representation of the given situation. Okay, so what we did, according to given question, I constructed two linear equations in two variables. It is called algebraic representation. After getting the two equations, I am forming the tables to draw the graph. Okay, So you have to follow this method to solve remaining two problems in this exercise. Thank you.